Welcome, what is up guys? Welcome back to Easy Tech Tutorials and Free Softwares. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get free YouTube thumbnails and thumbnail templates online. You don't have to pay for any of it. The plans are freemium, okay, but it's only limited to certain features you will be using and icons for those thumbnails, but using it is completely free and you can always search online to replace any of the paid features for those thumbnails that may be paid, but very few of them have paid features within them. Okay, so if you want to know how to create free thumbnails for your YouTube videos in 2021 and beyond, then watch this video all the way till the end, as I will give you a guided walkthrough of exactly how to do it. Okay, if you like videos of free softwares, downloads and tutorials, then subscribe to my channel or check out any of my older uploads, as they will all provide immense value to you in your online business. Okay, so the website we are looking at today, I've actually shown you before, but just before we go into the website, you need to look at what your competitor thumbnails more or less look like. Okay, so if you are in the make money online niche or whatever, this is what some of those thumbnails look like. Okay, so you should have an idea of what the thumbnails in your niche looks like. Okay, as you can see, a lot of these guys, they either write in their thumbnails, they have some writing, okay, script, text, others do not, but generally thumbnails are there to actually show the viewer what he may see within the video, or for example, like putting up information in the video that the viewer may look for. Okay, it's generally going to be more or less the same as your title as well. Okay, so going over to the site now, the site I use for all of this is basically Canva. There are other paid softwares out there, but I would still use Canva, as Canva makes it really easy for you to create a thumbnail. Okay, there are other free softwares as well, but I would still maybe just choose Canva. Now once you sign up to Canva, come over to the search box right on top, okay, and type in YouTube thumbnail. Okay, it'll take you over to the current templates. You may need some time to load, as they've always got a few newer ones up there which they try to work in, but I usually like to start with creating a blank thumbnail. If you do not, you can always just scroll down and see what other templates they have here, but I'll show you why I choose the blank thumbnail, the blank template. Okay, just give it time to load. Okay, so you get these music templates and all of these. Now what you'll see here, once I hover over it, in the bottom left corner, what the current template I'm hovering over, you will see free. Now you will see if it's free or not. Okay, but most of these are free. You do get some paid thumbnails, okay, but you can generally just choose from these, any of these if you want, but I like to start blank. So I'm gonna take you a walkthrough. I'm gonna give you a walkthrough of starting from scratch. So this is your white background. If you want to change the background, on the left side you'll see a pane with different menus on it. Okay, at the bottom, second one from the bottom, you'll see backgrounds. Now backgrounds, you can either be just a specific color or a type of design. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, also again, some of these are paid, some of these are free, but the large majority of it is free. Okay, but if you have any specific picture you want to upload, okay, whether it's your own or you want a different stock image, you can always just go to Pixabay, find it, download it. It must be a JPEG image, then upload it. Now you also see on the left side, from the second from the top, you will see uploads. Now, as you can see, I have uploaded some here. You may have seen these from my other videos. Okay, I'm going to choose this picture. Now just right click, go to the bottom of that menu, or when you right click, then select set images as background, and that will be your background. You can do this for any amount of images if you maybe want a different background. Okay, and that's it. Now I'm going to add a few things here. Okay, so I'm going to add the Reddit logo right here. Okay, I'm going to move to the top right corner. See, now Canva allows you to easily move these all around within your thumbnail. Okay, I also want to put maybe the Google logo over here. As you can see, okay, it even gives you some measurements. Now I'm gonna take this guy right here and move him to the center. Now right there you will see the purple lines that form. It will show you exactly when your picture hits the center. Okay, but I don't want this in the center. I'll maybe move it here. Okay, now I'm going to choose some text. Now on the left side again, you can either go over to photos, okay, where there will be some text templates around here with other pictures for your niche, but go to text. It's better to go to text. Now at the bottom they also give you some text templates which you can use. Okay, now depending on what the title of your video is, you may want to choose a different text that will fit in all the way. Okay, but I'm gonna scroll down. Some more. Okay, just also beware that some of these are not free. Okay, there's nothing I really like here. Let me choose I'll choose retro. Now you can resize the text, okay, if you don't want it to cover any of the pictures you uploaded. And now you can also change the color of the text. Okay, so I'm gonna choose maybe make it more red. Yes, and that's it. Okay, that's basically all you need to do. Now you can play around with the editor here if you want to. It all depends on how you want your thumbnail to look. Okay, but that's basically everything from me, guys. There are some other features here if you want to maybe create short videos as well, but this for the purposes of this video we'll only be focusing on the thumbnails. Okay, let me put some more text in here for you guys. Okay, now there's another way to resize the text. You can just go on top here to the resize number. That's the text and font size, and maybe just choose 50. Okay, to choose the other one again, and then also 50, and then again 50. Now there I've resized all of the text in that specific block. But now if you maybe want to change the font later on, you don't really like this font, you can go over next to the text resize. You can choose your font there. I like to use Anton and Gallagher, so I'll just go with Gallagher. And there you can see it's all changed. Now once you have completed, you are satisfied with your thumbnail, you go over to download. Okay, choose the PNG download, and that's it. Now it's going to prepare your design, and it will automatically download. Okay, right there it's automatically downloaded. Okay, so that's all for me from today, guys. I hope this video has helped you out. Okay, and if you like videos like this and you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so, and click the bell notification icon so you can be notified when I upload any new tech tutorials and free softwares and materials for you guys to download and use online. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.